Smart electric fence. Secure your homes and premises with electric fencing. German brand. AMS. Electric fences are protected and compelling impediment for people, wildlife, and interlopers with hybrid carbonated German electric fence with anti-moisture materials. They make border security significantly more secure and easier to keep up with. An electrified fence is a system of wires and equipment fit for conveying an electrical shock when touched by people or creatures. At the point when the wire detects human reach, it conveys pulses powered and directed through metal bars to get back to their source. Electric fencing parts include fence energizer, conductor, posts, insulators, earthing. Wireless remote control, gate automation. AMS German Brand Smart Electric Fence. Order now 92322922219.